Dr. Donna Kelleher. I am a holistic veterinarian, and I have over 25 years of experience treating thousands of dogs using a wide variety of holistic treatments. So we use acupuncture, gentle chiropractic, herbal therapies, and allergy clearings with Nate. And trust me, I can tell you, you can make a huge difference with your animal friend just with a few little low-cost tricks that I'm going to teach you in these videos. So we're going to have holistic tips and tricks. We're going to have vet visits, so you'll get to come into the exam room with me. We're going to have videos that I'm going to interview other holistic veterinarians and other people in our profession that have been doing it a long time too. And number 4, we're going to have holistic horse training. So it's like teaching you how to dance with horses, how I dance with horses, and how you can do holistic training for your pet too. Thanks so much. Subscribe, tell your friends. Thanks for joining me.